Alright, so we're going to give you guys a tour and kind of walk you guys through all the shopping they have here on Grandeur of the Seas. So let's go check out all the shopping on board. So we're heading into the shopping area here on Grandeur of the Seas. And of course you can get all the usual, you can get watches and jewelry. The first store you have here is Facets. We'll come in here, and of course it is the jewelry shop. So all of your jewelry, watches, and all of that is in here. Do you need a new watch?
No.
No?
Doesn't count my steps.
And they have more watches here in the center. But here you have the Marco Polo store.
Morning.
This is going to be, they got sunglasses, some clothing items.
So just when you go up now, get the...
Alright, so this is the Marco Polo store.
Welcome to the shop. Your ticket for the raffle. Good morning.
Oh, good morning. Thank you.
Good luck. 10:30. Out here.
Alright, so we got raffle tickets. Alright. And then right across the way here we have the port merchants. And of course this is going to be your duty-free shop on board. It's going to have all of your alcohol choices. You can get some candy, a lighter, you got some snacks. Of course, all the cigarettes and everything are here in this store. Alright, so back out here in the center, so they have watches, they got bags, plenty of hats. Alright. And over here you have the Solera. And this is going to be all of your perfumes, lotions, and all that in that store. And then you have the shop. And this will be all of your Royal Caribbean logo merchandise in here. Now, being a small ship, it is a very small store. And there goes Tiffany shopping again. Making a very strange face. What were you making a strange face about?
$124 for a swimsuit.
$124 for a swimsuit. Take it you're not paying that.
No.
And that's pretty much all the shops on board the ship. Like I said, it's a small ship, just a couple of little shops. Definitely not what you're used to on some of the larger cruise ships out there. Pretty small.